Oh my god. Oh my god. As you can see, someone welded a road sign into this car.
Look at my neck, damn. Look at my wrist, damn. Look at my...
So welcome to another video. Today we're gonna do sad and awesome thing at the same time. But before we start, if you're new, subscribe to my channel, click that bell for notification, and don't forget to show some support by liking this video. So you wanted to see my old car, my very first drift car. Yes, the ugly duckling. So actually I've sold that car like 4 or 5 years ago. It was the car in which I learned how to drift. It has more than 2 million views on YouTube. It was featured on Discovery Channel. Well, I had great time with that car. We're gonna take a look at that car today because local guy bought it. So I'm taking this camera, taking you, and we're gonna take a look. I don't know what to expect. I don't know the condition of the car. I'm a bit nervous, but I hope everything will go really good. Let's go. So actually I can't believe that it's really happening right now. All we have to do is just wait. I think the car should be on a trailer because guy said that he's transporting that car to get a roll bar or roll cage. Well, let's wait and we're gonna see it. Oh my god. You know what? Let's stop here, and first of all I will show you how this car looked before. And after that I will show you how it looks right now.
This black magic, nigga, to keep the waves in. Walk like I'm floating on air, I'm so amazing. And make sure my bullets go through you, fuck crazy. I'm itching just to shoot one of you fuck niggas hating. And you could be a hustler, I'm used to taking. Hockey mask, all black down, just like I'm chasing. Too much time wasted, put him on the pavement. Next day, see his bitch ass on front agent. I'm the shit, bitch. I'm the shit, bitch. I'm the shit, bitch. I'm the shit, bitch. Look at my neck, damn. Look at my wrist, damn. Look at my bitch, damn. Look at my feet, damn. I'm the shit, bitch. I'm the shit, bitch. I'm the shit, bitch. I'm the shit, bitch. Look at my neck, damn. Look at my wrist, damn. Look at my bitch, damn. Look at my feet, damn.
Oh my god, as you can see, someone welded a road sign into this car. Yeah, that's disappointing. The problem is, like, if you're starting restoration project, it's not an easy task. So it's better to know what you're doing, or just better leave the car as it is and just drive it, just drift it and smash it and destroy it, and that's it. That's the end of the story. But when you start doing stuff like this, it's not good. And you can just take a look at those side skirts. I think probably driving in rusted side skirts is even safer, because just look at those cuts, at those welds. Nothing good. No engine, no nothing. I can see new side skirts. You can remember this dent. Ooh. Okay.
Hi. Jau nepakelsi. Ten su to. Samūtų.
Jo. Nes ten kas pirmai turėjo Šiauliuose, tai dar visai važiavosi tą mašiną ir ten nieko, žinai, nedarė.
Nu jau čia pridarė jau.
Bet čia kas nusipirko po to restauruoti ar kažką daryti?
Čia restauravo jau, bandė. Bet va, tai va, paliko kokia.
Na, aišku, nežinau, ar apsimokėjo iš tikrųjų vis tiek tokį kėbulą imti. Tai nebent dėl istorijos. Tai...
Dėl istorijos čia tik, nes aš turiu kupė.
Ja, nes galima šiaip gan tvarkingus susirasti, kai čia plus visko reikia, motoro.
Nu blemba, 150 €.
Okay, so I will try to explain everything for you. So, first of all, this guy bought this car for 150 euros. So at first it looks like it's really cheap, but in other hand, this car needs a lot of work. And I'm really happy that he's planning to drive this car this winter. So it's pretty good plan. He's planning to put 3-liter M54 B30 into this shell, and actually this combo is kind of my dream combo, like E36 and M54 3-liter. Nieko nėra ir laukia projektas. Tai dar šią žiemą žadai išvažiuot?
Nu bandysim kažkaip.
Važiuoklė čia.
Tiltas ten buvo virintas. Iki tavęs dar nebuvo virintas.
Ne, tvirtinimai buvo padaryti, bet nežinau, gal ten kažką peržiūrėjau.
Gal išrauta buvo jau, ten irgi pradėta dar kartą virinti kažkas.
Įdomu, ar lokas dar yra, ar ne?
Jau nieko nėra turbūt.
Amortikai tie patys. Pervirintas tūpsus tas pačias turbūt. Pjautas spiruoklės. Drofas. Bet čia gerai, tik ant amortikų laikas. So that's the plan. He will put the motor, he will get roll bar, so he can get legal papers for the car, and he will drift it. It's really easy like that. So of course he will need to finish all the weldings. He's planning to leave that dent on rear side panel. It's like a signature of this car. And actually that's all. Dar visai neblogas dealas iš tikrųjų už tokią kainą, tai galima prikelt.
Nes kaip, visi bijo. Bus jau toks rimtesnis Winterbeateris.
Čia galima ir jau ne tik žiemą išvažiuoti.
Iki kur varo? Iki kur? Iki Vėbro? Iki Antano?
Jo, pas Vėbrą.
Per Geležinę Vilką?
Pas Vėbrą.
Per Geležinę?
So yes, I'm always thinking about same project, about really basic drift build, another ugly duckling. I don't know. Just comment down below, what do you think? Which shell should it be? Like E36, E46, E90? The idea was that it has to be cheap, but I'm thinking for nowadays it should be E46. Well, let's think about it. Let's think about it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Wait, I have to show you this. Sleepy cat. So yeah, actually I have a new project, that kitten. I'm done for today. See you next time.
Coming from the hood, the D boys are the superstars. 530 inches on a bucket all night.